Welcome to yet another unboxing video on the Watch Kaki channel, and today we're gonna open up this package here. I bought this one here during the Black Friday sale weekend, so I ordered this one on Friday and it arrived on Saturday. Alright, fantastic work from the vendor. I believe the name is Greenwich Galaxy. Alright, so let me just cut open this package here and I'm going to unveil what I've ordered during the Black Friday sale. So, you know, they've flattened the card box. So this is the Casio, right? And it's one of those ultra affordable, so you know they don't bother to box it up because it's gonna be more costly to ship the watch that way. So I'm not gonna fault them for that. It's not a problem. Love the quick shipment speed though. So this one here is nicely wrapped in this ziploc here, and this is also nicely wrapped up in bubble foam. Okay, so we're down to the last layer of plastic bag, and here you go. Ta-da! Alright, so this is the Casio Royale. I told you about this watch purchase a few weeks back during the unpacking of the Skmei. So I bought the Skmei for the bracelet, and here I have the original Casio Royale in black plastic. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to transplant the bracelet over here, and this version is the vintage LCD edition or LED edition. Reference number is still AE-1200, but I think all these suffix here would tell you what it is. I think BVDF would stand for vintage edition or vintage look. So here you can see there's sort of a patina going on, you know, yellowed out kind of a LCD screen. So overall the watch is, as expected, a really low quality, low build, but you can't really blame the build quality because you know you didn't pay that much for it. Like I paid around $26 for this watch, so I don't think anyone should complain. So I've just put aside all the plastic bags and packaging and all that. So let's take a closer look at this one here. Alright, and let me just peel off the protective film as well. So not too bad. I'm liking all these you know, the print here. The print is done in gold, and they've got this yellowed out kind of a LCD panel, which I really like very much. So I think this is going to look really good on the Skmei bracelet. So functions wise, still the same good old Casio Royale AE-1200, which is, you know, in my opinion, one of the best ultra affordable Casios you can get. So quick reshot here for you. Fits any wrist size, okay, men, women, children. Alright, you're going to be very happy with this watch. A good size. Even the digits here, they're pretty big, so I would think legibility is not an issue at all. And let's just take a quick look at the you know, the sibling shot here. So this is the steel version. I would say this is the most popular version of the Casio Royale, so I really love this one here. It's a surprise that I like it so much. Ultra affordable watch, very wearable, you know, you don't feel any heartache when you bang it against the doorway or something like that. So, and this is the one that I was telling you about. So the Skmei here was, you know, bought with the intention of harvesting this bracelet here. So I'm going to put the bracelet over here on the Casio. Alright, let's hope it all turns well. So stay tuned for the comparison video. I don't think I'll do a full review. I'm just going to compare it between you know, all the other Royale style watches I've got. So of course we've got the Casio, the original ones, the authentic ones, and we've got the, I don't know, copy made by Skmei. Alright, these are all very affordable watches in you know, in some people's world. Anything less than XXX dollars, you know, they don't consider them to be watches. Alright, these are just bits and pieces of metal and plastic, but I think for me it's pretty cool. It's a really nice design, and you know, I really think that this is a classic. Alright, so stay tuned for more videos from the Watch Kaki. We're from Singapore. Bye bye.